Hello, thank you for joining me. I'm Tom Booker, Senior Instructor. This is our video tutorial on Uchi-Age, the upward strike with the bow. Now we're going to start from Hidari no Kama, right side forward. We're going to be bringing the bow up and over our right shoulder, striking with the left hand end of the bow. Up and through like this. Now we're also going to be doing a step forward with this. Step, and the bow comes up. This adds to your reach, and it adds to your power. We're going to take it slowly at first. Just step up and through like that. Step and bring it up and through. Then just a little faster, up and through, up and through, up and through. Let's have a look at this from the side. And I'm stepping forward, bringing the bow up and through. And the right hand end of the bow is resting lightly on my right shoulder. It's giving me 3 points of contact. My left hand, my right hand, and up here on top of my shoulder. Step in, up and through. Step in, up and through like that. Now, this can also be used midsection. Here. Step through, and I'm out here roughly belt high on my thumb. Step in, up and through. Step in, up and through, just like that. All right, now let's look at actually striking with this. Ms. Chiselcone, could I have your assistance, please? Thank you. We're going to start with a high section strike. Have your helper hold their bow out there about shoulder high. We're going to work from Hidari no Kama, and we're going to start by just finding the bow. I'm going to step in and touch like this. Just step in and touch. What we're doing here is working with our distancing and working with our aim. I want to try to touch the same spot each time. If I'm in too close, here close to my own hand, I want to adjust so I'm far enough away. I want to be using this part of the bow here, ideally. The last foot to 18 inches of it is where I want to do this strike. Here and here. And then we'll take it a little faster and harder. We'll step in, give it a bit more of a knock up. Making sure I'm getting a good grip on my bow. I'm resting it, again, on my shoulder here. And then we'll take it faster and harder yet. Now, after we've worked shoulder high, we're going to drop this down to middle section high, about belt high. And I'm going to start off just the way I did before. I'm going to go fairly slowly, and I'm just going to touch with it. Step in and find it. Just touch. Step in and touch. All right, that's looking like a good distance. So we'll go just a little faster. Move in. Give it a bit more of a strike upwards. Now, again, you want to be sure you're hitting the same spot each time. You want to be sure you've got good control over this. and I want to respect my partner on this. If I'm starting to get wild and sloppy about that, and I'm starting to get close to my partner's hands, I don't want to pop my partner on the hands. It hurts just as much to be hit accidentally as it does on purpose. So make sure you're keeping good control over this and you're striking well away from your partner's hands. Then we'll go a little faster and harder. Step in and strike up once more. Like that. Thank you, Mr. Jessica. And we're not going to try to go too fast, too hard at first. Just get a feeling for the movement, the step, and the strike up and through working together. Once you've got a good feeling for this, then take it a bit faster and harder. Just make sure you've got good control. All right, and thank you for joining me. That is Uchi-Age, the upward strike.